Here I am considering 4 examples of simultaneous equations, and it is asked that whether they are consistent or inconsistent, and also if it is consistent, find the solution of the consistent equations graphically. Now I will consider only 2 examples, only the examples which are consistent, and find out the solution for these 2 consistent pair of equations by graphically. Now you can see which of the following pairs of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. If they are consistent, obtain the solution graphically. Those 4 examples I am giving you here. And out of these 4 examples, the 2 are consistent, and thereby we are going to find out the solution graphically. And this I will consider the first one. X plus y is equal to 5 and 2x plus y is equal to 10. And with the corresponding to these equations, I am giving the values for the x and y in both the cases. Now for this one, the basis of this table, I will plot these points in a coordinate axis, and here, according to the first equations and second equations, I will plot the points on a coordinate axis as here 0 5 5 0 and 2 3 4 1, here 4 1. And also, I would like to draw the lines joining these points, both the lines I am going to join here. And now you can see the lines. The 2 lines, of course, you might have observed, 0 5 and 5 0 by a red line, and 2 3 and 4 1 by green line. Both are coincident, and hence they are consistent. These lines are coincident and hence consistent. And infinitely many solutions. Because any point lie on one line is also a point is also lie on the other line also, and therefore for any single equation, 2 variable has infinitely many solutions, and thereby they are coinciding, and hence they are what you can say consistent equations with infinitely many solutions. And also you can see second one, you can see they are parallel straight lines represented by x minus y is equal to 8 and 3x minus 3y equal to 16 are parallel. 8 by 16 means 1 by 4 are parallel and inconsistent. You can verify by comparing the coefficient ratios of coefficients of x, y and constant term. Now I'm considering third example, 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0, 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Here, what you can say, here, ratio of the coefficients of x and y, you can see this is 1 by 2 and 1 by minus 2, that is ratio of the coefficients of y, and they are not equal, and therefore the equations are consistent. And hence now we are going to find out the solution of this pair of linear equations by graphically. For that we need some table for the values of x and y in both the cases, in both the equations which I have given here. Now I am going to consider the coordinate axis, and according to these tables, I am going to plot the point on the coordinate axis, and thereby I will join them to get two intersecting straight lines, as here it is intersecting at 2 and 2, and therefore here x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2, which you can get as the solution for these two equations. And also we are going to consider what is that fourth one is I am going to write down here, and now fourth one is what is that fourth equation, or fourth one are inconsistent and to pair, and you can verify by comparing the ratios of the coefficients of x y and constant terms. So, okay, now you can see here by verifying these ratios, you will come to know that they are the inconsistent pair of equations.